Only on 2 tonight, a pest problem at a local school. Parents telling us everything from rats to roaches have invaded LaPorte High School. One mom says her daughter was bitten so badly by insects, she had to go to the emergency room. Channel 2's Jonathan Martinez is at the high school right off of Fairmont Parkway with their story and the district's response. Jonathan?
Yeah, Dominique, as you mentioned, we were tipped off to this story by a student and her concerned mothers. They tell us they've been dealing with the big rat problem, very disgusting, here for several months at this school. So we did a little digging, and it turns out they've been dealing with more than just one issue as of late.
Rats, roaches, and other insects, all problems some students at LaPorte High School say they're dealing with on a daily basis. They've even recently shared some of these pictures on social media that students say were taken inside the school.
It's kind of scary, but we've gotten used to it because sometimes they'll fall from the ceilings and run across the room and then go back up.
While researching the story initially about the alleged rodent problem, the district says part of the issue is a nearly $100 million construction project on campus set to open this fall that in turn has disrupted the natural habitat. The district mentioning, quote, "Our maintenance department aggressively works on pest control and has traps set in inconspicuous places throughout the building."
One of my classmates, she has bites all on her legs and all on her chest and arms.
But making matters worse, Alyssa Altalano says she recently went to the ER after she was bitten by something in class and wasn't the only one. We asked the district about any possible bug problems, and they tell us just last week a teacher brought an insect issue to their attention. They sent out a sample to have it tested and released a follow-up statement reading in part, quote, "It has been confirmed to be an insect, and the entomologists agree that it is not associated with rodents. The area which the insects were found has been thoroughly cleaned and no other areas of the school have been affected." Still, that's little comfort for parents who say something more needs to be done.
If it was a reverse situation, CPS would be at my house trying to get my children from me because I have them in an area that's infested with rats and I'm negligent or whatever.
In the district also adding tonight that all the upholstered furniture in that area impacted by those insects has since been removed. We also wanted to know what kind of insect we are talking about, the specifics. Right now the district says they are still waiting on confirmation to find that out. Once we do, we of course will certainly pass it along to you. We are reporting live tonight from LaPorte. I'm Jonathan Martinez, KPRC Channel 2 News.